All right, welcome everybody back to the Boo Review. Today we're going to be talking about strange sounds that have been appearing in the sky. That's how serious it is. The sounds are appearing.
Some dude didn't get good. He photoshopped those sounds into the sky.
He photoshopped the sounds?
He photoshopped the sounds.
Man.
This is some next level shit.
We the best debunkers. Captain Disillusion ain't got shit on us. Anyway, Fata Morgana. This video has been suggested by Aaron Dick, Storm Chaser 319, Mermaid Alien, Niels Weber, Katie Maureen Sawyer, and Natalie Auditore. Katie and Natalia came from Facebook. All right.
My eyes hurt after I did that.
Okay. Anyway, this is very crazy, these sounds, right?
What is that?
Do you hear that?
Yeah. I hear it, but I can't see it because I hurt my eyes making that face.
I guess we should check out that. Do you hear that, Nathan? Maybe if we go outside, we can see the sound.
See it radiate.
Let's see if we can't film the sound.
What is that sound? Dude, I don't know. There's no telling what that could be. Wow. Let's go out this way and see if we can find. Maybe we can see it if we look hard enough. Maybe we can see the sound. Maybe we can see the sound.
Okay, well, I guess that was nothing.
It fulfilled my hopes and dreams. It's all I've ever wanted.
Wait, so right. I forgot it was an MLG air horn.
You don't know how many times Jerad has stopped you from hearing the graces of God's MLG or air horns.
Oh my God, I hate the air horn. I hate it. Whenever AJ tries to add it, I hate it so much. But he loves it, and he tries to stick it in everywhere he can.
I like the sad one. I like the one that's like...
I don't think, have I heard that one? I don't want to see it.
One.
I don't want to hear it.
I use the sad one more often.
I just said I don't want to see it. I am really getting my senses mixed up here. Okay, so you guys know what that sounds means. That sounds means.
It means the end of the world, and that means, you know it.
That means everyone should start praying real quick if you evil. Now, I ain't worried about it. If
you've heard the sound, it's like Stone Cold Steve motherfucking Austin. Once you've heard the glass, it's your ass. It's too late already.
Well, see, now you just cursed a lot, so you're going straight to hell.
Bring it.
The thing is about this, and the reason why we haven't covered this, is because we saw a debunk for this last year. It was last year we saw a debunk.
We may have even saw this before we started the channel. I don't even remember. It's been a while.
Yeah. So we knew for a long time this was fake. We saw True Stoff's video about a year ago, and in that he explains it as like a bulldozer scraping the side of some.
It's scraping some recently finished cement.
Right.
There's the sound of the source.
Some grand soul did a lot of research, and we'll link his video for you.
Yeah, so
I don't know why bulldozers do that, though.
In that particular video, somebody finds that, and it's because they're wondering what the sound is, and they discover what it is. However, that gives people the idea to start taking that same sound and putting it over a lot of different videos. We the best debunkers. And some of the sounds are natural. They're just like wind.
Some of them are wind from storms.
Yeah, I mean,
kind of sounds too like wind.
There was one at a sporting event. It was lightning striking the dome of the stadium, which is common at the particular stadium in Tampa.
That's a haunting sound.
There was other instances where it was sounds from a train yard, and someone that works in one of the train yard confirmed, like, yeah, dude, we hear that sound all the time.
Mm-hmm.
What? You guys freaking out?
A railroad employee, Lee Derby, likened the mystery noises to a train being dragged while its brakes are set.
all right, guys, that's it. Sounds aren't real. It's just.
But then here come the pranksters.
Yeah, it's just a It's just
a prank, bro.
It's a mass hoax, is what it is, basically. For a lot of these who want to, get people scared about end times. Just don't let mass hysteria get you. Think. What does Captain Disillusion say? Think with your dick, not with your heart. Something like that. Think with your dick.
Remember, Think with your mind. Use your heart for everything else.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Exit gas.
Exit gas. I give this a Gabriel out of 7.
I give this a Godzilla. I give this a Shin Godzilla at that.
To the 1, to the 1, to the 3. I like good pussy and I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe. Get my ass in a toilet seat.
I feel like I can kind of get his voice, but I can't get the volume.
I think you do really good to that, man.
I can't get his volume, though.
You go play Dance Central?
Yeah.